Hey, once again it's Robert with Clean Pool and Spa, and in this video we're going to go over another question of the day. And this great question comes from Jimmy846. He said, I had a salt pool installed about 4 months ago, and we're really enjoying it. There are many conflicting opinions on whether to use chlorine tabs or not. Some say a salt pool needs it, while others say not to. What's your take on this? Now I do have a take on this, but first we need to go over a few minor details. So first, we should know what chlorine tabs are meant to do. They're meant to dispense 1 part per million chlorine per day so our chlorine doesn't bottom out. And we should also know one difference between regular chlorine pools and salt pools. When we add chlorine to our pool, it's going to spike up and then decrease. Then we add more chlorine to our pool and just repeat the process once again. This is when tabs can come in handy. Now with a salt pool, what we're getting is a constant stream of chlorine injected into our pools, so there's really no large spike up or down. It can stay constant, and that's one of the benefits of having a salt pool. And we can also adjust the chlorine either down or up to meet our needs. But the question still remains, do I need chlorine tabs with my saltwater pool? Well, in my opinion, and because of the reasons offered here, I don't think tabs are as important in a salt pool as they are in a regular chlorine pool, so we can probably get away without using them. But one thing that is important to know about salt pools is their tendency to increase the pH level. So let's keep some muriatic acid or dry acid on hand to decrease the pH. So there you have it, another great question of the day answered. I'm Robert with Clean Pool and Spa. Check out the description box below. Link to my website, cleanpoolandspa.com. Lots of great information over there. Like, subscribe, and comment here. As always, be safe and happy swimming.